So you guys, former generations actress and Somizi's baby Mama Palesa Madisakwane is trending there on TikTok after she revealed that she is leaving her sangoma calling and she has found God and is born again. So you guys, there is absolutely nothing wrong with being born again, and most people were quite happy for her. However, the technique in which she announced that she has found God was rather questionable, as people felt that she was being disrespectful to the tradition, as she posted a video of herself burning her ancestral clothing and basically saying it has marine spirits, sangoma spirits, and that she cancelled the spirits from ever entering her. She called it evil. Basically, that's what people felt like she was doing, you guys. Guys, they felt like she is saying that being a sangoma is an evil practice. So Palesa closed her comments there on TikTok. However, a lot of people have stitched her video saying that she did all that for TikTok likes and views, and that she did not have the calling in the first place, you guys. They also said that she shall suffer the consequences from her ancestors if she truly had the calling, you guys. So up next, I'll just go ahead and insert the video. Please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Also like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet done so, guys.
In the name of Jesus Christ, I denounce and I renounce the spirit of the Masangoma. I denounce and I renounce the spirit that is not of God. In the name of Jesus Christ, I cancel generational curses. I cancel stagnation. I cancel the spirit of lack. I cancel the spirit of poverty. I cancel the spirit of the marine. I cancel the spirit of the mermaids. I cancel the serpent spirit. I cancel the spirit of death. I cancel the spirit of death in the name of Jesus Christ. I cancel the spirit of lies in the name of Jesus Christ. To break every chain in the name of Jesus.